Mounting is easy. There's a little push here and a screw to tighten it down. And there's also a mounting bracket here. And there's another smaller size that you can switch out that comes in the box at that point. So slightly slimmer variant if you need it. But this one fits on it fine. Pretty simple snap on. And then you just tighten it down. I think finger tight is plenty good. And there is no wobble. Obviously set up where you want. I just have it on the right side since I'm a left-hander. And I think it's pretty easy there when I have my grip on it. And you can see the profile on the rifle. It is fairly close to it. The heads do align pretty well with a natural front rail. I mean, this is definitely designed more for standard kind of AR configuration than anything, as you would expect. Taking it outside, it does a good job lighting up the area and is definitely brighter than one of my other lights rated at 800 lumens, so the brightness claim of 1300 seems to check out. I also took some photos comparing the brightness from fully charged to about 65-minute mark and a final one at 70 minutes. I did notice at the 70-minute mark, a few minutes before it shut off,